Well, it's about time I made a video, like an actual video. Anyway, hi, I'm doing an unboxing for my friend Augie on a patch that he made on his Etsy store. I thought I was going to need the knife for this, but I found a hole in the packaging by accident, so I didn't think I'd need the knife. At least until the bubble wrap came. I'm gonna actually need my knife. So, like my finger, please. Yeah, I almost cut my finger. I will say I really like the wrapping paper. Honestly, it was really cute, especially with it written. I tried to save it, but unfortunately I did slightly tear it, but you know, oh well. And here it is. Sick. Indeed it was. It was a lot bigger than I thought it'd be, but you know, that's fine. There's a good look at it. Yep. While I cleaned up my desk, I took out this crock top I have, and I'm thinking of having it stitched on there. It was a little big, like, it almost filled the entire thing, but honestly, that's completely fine. If I decide to change my mind, then I'll probably just have it sewn on another shirt or just hang it on my wall. Otherwise, I like this. It looks really cool, and I do appreciate my friend Augie for making it. Now, if you guys do want to get something like this, while it is currently a work in progress, here's his Etsy store and his Instagram page. He also has a YouTube. He has a couple of videos up that show the progress of making a few of these, including the patches. So please, for the love of God, please show him some support. And Augie, if you're watching, thank you. Bye.